Good day, everyone. I have a question. When was the last time your calendar felt peaceful? For most of us, never. We see a battlefield of red notification. I am Tasnim Fallaha, and this is Nafas. In Arabic, Nafas means breathe, because productivity should feel like breathing, not suffocating. Our N logo symbolizes Nafas, balancing calm with human energy through stress-free, flexible algorithm. Nafas was born out of deep necessity. I am an expat mother of two, one with level 3 autism. My life was a choice of daily school run, medical schedule, therapy, and household demands. Traditional apps treated me like a robot. I needed room to breathe, not a faster clock. 77% of workers face burnout. For caregivers, missing tasks increase cortisol by 25%. This guilt gap replaces productivity with stressful overdue alerts. Nafas is the first adaptive planning ecosystem. Replace guilt alerts with empathetic logic. Our AI achieves automatic schedule healing in seconds, eliminating manual replanning. The 12 billion market of wellness is shifting towards self-care productivity. We target 1 billion people globally, including caregivers and professionals, where health and work are integrated. Our core UVP is our fundamental philosophy. Nafas manages life, rewarding flexibility instead of punishing lateness. Nafas transforms productivity into peace, reducing global burnout through empathetic, human-centered, and adaptive time management. Our team combines human-centered design with Google Gemini AI to transform adaptive logic into accessible peace of mind. Let me show you how the magic happens. Nafas doesn't just list tasks, it acknowledges the user state with a gentle just look. Adaptive flow. As we move to the Insight tabs, Nafas goes beyond scheduling. It defines a natural gap for vitamin D or 2 pages of reading. It also tracks emotional connectivity. Here it reminds Tasnim to call her mom. Below we can see this week's wines, gamify self-care and social connecting. In the profile section we can see how Nafas understands life context. Tasnim has selected rules like expat, caregiver, and professional. The app adapts to her energy profile since he is a morning person. Nafas schedules demands task during her peak hours. We even have a social battery feature where she can list emergency contact for emotional support when things get overwhelming. Life happens and Nafas is built for it. Watch what happens when Tasnim adds an unexpected change. She entered a medical appointment at 12 p.m. Done. Adjust my flow. The AI engine behind Nafas instantly recalculates her entire day with one tap. Our business model is a freemium subscription. While the basic flow is free, our premium Health Sense features provide deeper AI integration for those managing complex health needs. Our strategy is community-led, starting with expat and caregivers groups. We aren't just looking for users, we are building a supportive circle where the pain is highest. Unlike motion's corporate rigidity or calm's passivity, Nafas is a warm alternative, uniquely combining productivity with biological intelligence. In the end, Nafas is about regaining health, stop managing time, and start managing life. Thank you, and I am ready to take Nafas to the world.